Today we are about to explore the story of this timeless man Socrates. So let's begin. Socrates, a philosopher who changed the way we think. Socrates is one of the most influential philosophers in human history and is often regarded as the father of Western philosophy. Born around 469 BCE in Athens, Greece, Socrates lived a simple life but lived a powerful intellectual legacy that continues to shape philosophy, education, and critical thinking today. Unlike many philosophers, Socrates did not write books or formal texts. Everything we knew about him comes mainly from the writing of a student, especially Plato, as well as from the plays of Aristophanes and the historical accounts of Xenophon. The most distinctive feature of Socrates' philosophy was his method of questioning, now known as the Socratic method. Instead of teaching by giving direct answers, Socrates asked a series of thoughtful questions to expose contradictions in people's belief. Through dialogue, he encouraged individuals to think deeply, examine their assumptions, and seek truth through reason. His famous statement, "The unexamined life is not worth living," reflects his belief that self-reflection and moral inquiry are essential for a meaningful life. Socrates believed that true wisdom comes from recognizing one's own ignorance. He claimed that he was wise only because he knew how little he truly knew. This humble approach challenged the so-called experts and leaders of Athens, many of whom felt threatened by his ideas. He often questioning politicians, poets, and craftsmen, revealing that their confidence often lacked true understanding. As a result, Socrates gained both followers and powerful enemies. In addition to logic and ethics, Socrates placed a great importance on virtue. He believed that knowledge and virtue were closely connected, and that people do wrong only because they lack knowledge. According to Socrates, if a person truly understands what is good, they will naturally act in a moral way. This idea emphasized education is the key to ethical behavior and social improvement. Socrates' fearless pursuit of truth eventually led to his trial in 399 BCE. He was accused of corrupting the youth of Athens and introducing new gods. Despite having the opportunity to escape punishment, Socrates chose to respect the laws of the city. He was sentenced to death and calmly drank poisoned hemlock. His acceptance of death demonstrated his commitment to his principle and made him a symbol of moral courage. The influence of Socrates did not end with his death. Through Plato and later Aristotle, his ideas become the foundation of Western philosophy. Socrates remains a timeless example of intellectual honesty, ethical integrity, and the power of questioning. His life reminds us that seeking truth even at a great personal cost is one of humanity's highest responsibilities.